Hello, I'm Roger Kneebone, Professor of Surgical Education and Engagement Science at Imperial College London. I'm a medical doctor by background. My first career was as a trauma surgeon operating on patients who'd been injured. Then I became a family doctor, practicing in a group of 7 GPs in the southwest of England for almost 2 decades. And now I'm an academic at a large London university, where much of my work is about researching how people teach and learn practical skills. Over the years, I've noticed that many young people starting to study science and medicine at university really struggle to do things with their hands. It might be experimental work in science labs, handling apparatus or equipment or chemicals, or it might be learning how to do clinical procedures for the patients they're looking after. And often it's because they haven't had the opportunity to develop the skills of craft by doing. The Creative Dimension Trust is doing crucial work in helping young people develop these vital hand skills that all of us need as our careers develop. It's simply not true that science and medicine are only about learning facts. They depend on skills which take years to develop, and you can't start doing that too soon. The Creative Dimension Trust's workshops are a fantastic opportunity to work with leading tutors and experience a wide range of skills, whether face-to-face or online. And although these workshops may seem a long way away from science labs or operating theatres, the skills you learn in a craft workshop are directly relevant to whatever you want your career to be.